Hello friends, today we are unboxing Portronics Key 2. I have this fresh piece with me. I have just opened it for you. This is a mini keyboard, wireless keyboard with a mouse combo. That's why it's called Key 2. Today I have a red color with black background with me. It's also available in the blue color also. So it comes with first of all what it is actually a mini Bluetooth keyboard with mouse. It's a combo that you get. The beauty about this product is that it is pretty small. It's very easy to carry. As you can see, it has all the keys that you want. There are no keys left out from this keyboard compared to a traditional keyboard. Yet we have reduced the form factor of this keyboard very significantly. I can just compare it to a normal keyboard that I have, a Bluetooth wireless keyboard that I have, and I can just show you how small this is, yet it has all the keys. So I'll just keep the box aside. Of course you get a user manual and everything in this, which you can go through. So I'm just comparing it to a normal keyboard that I have. It's also a wireless keyboard from a different company. Just see the size difference. Okay, this is the size difference. So keys from here, from your up down arrow keys right up to the right side, they are gone and they are introduced here. So you get these keys, all these keys here in this, and this is what you get. So it's very easy to carry it in your bag. Sorry, I'll just put it in my bag and I'll try to show you how easy it is to carry in my bag compared to a longer keyboard, traditional one. And if I keep my mouse like this is how it looks. Compare this to a mouse and keyboard combination like this. Okay, now see the difference that you get. Okay, now this keyboard, actually the keys are pretty good. They are good. They have a good bounce response. So when I press, and the size of these keys are pretty large. It's decent size. It's a normal key size. These are not smaller than these keys. So in that sense, you can easily adapt from this keyboard to this keyboard and start typing very conveniently. Okay, you can use this mouse. Okay, the dongle of this comes inside this mouse. This is the dongle. You can just take this out and put it in your laptop like this, and it is a plug and play device. Okay, and you can put a single AA battery in the mouse. Just close it. You can also put a AA battery inside this. Okay, and just close it. So you just need two AA cells which come with the product. So you can see these are the two AA batteries that Portronics gives you. So right now I've used a different set of cells, and you also get these kick-off stands with the keyboard, so that you can type it at an incline if you wish. So the size of this keyboard, if you see, compare it, this is 29 centimeters only. This is less than 1 foot rule. This is less than the length of a foot rule actually. This is the length. The breadth is 14 centimeters only, and the thickness is also pretty slim. It is around 2 centimeters thick. Okay, it is sturdy. Okay, the keys we claim these keys last up to 1 crore key presses. So 1 crore is a very decent number. These mouse clicks last up to, as you can see, these mouse clicks last up to 30 lakh clicks on this mouse. So this is a multimedia keyboard mouse combo. I'll just try to show a different color also. Just see the other color. I can just show you. Just let me take away this old large keyboard, bring it. So this is my laptop, and I've already paired it just now. As you can see, this is the dongle I put in the USB port. It's plug and play. I did not install any driver. And now you can see, so this is the other color. The white and blue combination is the other color that I was talking about. So you get it in black and red combination, and you also get it in white and blue, whichever one you like. So this is Portronics Key 2. Please go ahead and buy it today. It also comes with 1 year warranty. So you own it peacefully, and if something goes wrong, you are covered for 1 year, and after that also Portronics gives you warranty. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, please mention those questions in the comments below.